Music. Want to explore the world of crypto? This video reviews the Coinbase investment platform. Find links in the description. Coinbase is a popular, user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and managing over 200 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to Litecoin and various altcoins. Perfect for beginners and seasoned investors, Coinbase boasts a clean, intuitive interface and helpful educational resources. It offers two services, a simple buy-sell platform and Coinbase Pro for advanced traders. Security is paramount with two-factor authentication and insurance on stored funds. Funding your account is easy with bank transfers, PayPal, and debit/credit cards. Automated recurring buys are also available for dollar-cost averaging. While Coinbase transaction fees are higher than some platforms, it offers unmatched ease of use and robust security. Coinbase Pro provides lower fees and advanced charting for experienced traders. New to crypto? Coinbase is a secure and reliable platform for buying and holding digital assets. Even with slightly higher fees, its user-friendliness and trusted reputation make it a top choice. Seasoned traders can leverage Coinbase Pro's robust features. Overall, Coinbase provides a comprehensive, secure platform for all crypto investors. Ready to start your crypto journey? Check the links below to explore Coinbase and see if it's right for you.